Hi everyone. We have completed all the chapters for second term exam and today onwards we will start a revision. Today we will revise the chapter 4 and 5. In chapter 4 we have already learned the importance of water, sources of water, drinking water, water pollution and judicious use of water. Just to revise all these topics once again. Importance of water. We cannot imagine life without water. Human beings, animals, and plants need water for drinking, bathing, preparing food, washing. For different purposes, we need water, and without water, we cannot live. Then, sources of water. Rain is the main source of water on earth. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater. And we can dig out groundwater from tube wells, and hand pumps. Rivers, seas, oceans, ponds, and lakes are natural sources of water. Dams are man-made sources of water. Next, drinking water. Drinking water must be cleaned before we drink it. Drinking water should be filtered or boiled. Boiling kills the germs in water. Drinking water should be stored in clean and covered utensils. Drinking water can be made safe for drinking by using a water filter. Drinking dirty water can cause diseases like jaundice and typhoid. Water pollution. Making water dirty is called water pollution, and we can prevent water from getting polluted in the following ways. Do not throw factory waste in water bodies. Avoid throwing household waste in water. Do not wash clothes in water bodies. Judicious use of water. Water is precious and should not be wasted. Then how we can use water judicially? First, close taps when not in use. Get leaking taps repaired. Do not waste water while bathing. Reuse the water in which vegetables are washed to water plants. Next, chapter 5. Next, we will revise chapter 5, shelter. Here, we will learn two types of houses, Kucha house and Pukka house. Types of Pukka houses, special types of houses, good and clean house. House is very important. House protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain and thieves. The place where we live is called our home. In early days, people lived in caves or under the trees, and slowly they learned to make kucha houses or temporary houses using bamboo, mud, straw and wood. These kinds of houses damaged easily during the rainy seasons or during heavy rains. And Pukka houses or other name is a permanent house. They are very strong and permanent, and they make permanent houses using iron, cement and concrete. Then Types of pucca houses, that is a skyscraper, very tall buildings are called skyscrapers. Then special types of houses. In hilly areas, people make houses with slanting roofs. Then some people keep moving from one place to another. They make a tent house. Some people live in houseboats in places which have rivers and lakes. And some people living in thick snow covered areas make their houses with the blocks of ice. People called nomads who do not live permanently at the same place live in caravans. And some people living in areas with a heavy rainfall makes houses on stilt. Such houses are called stilt houses. Then it is very important to keep our house neat and clean. A house, big or small, is healthy and comfortable only when it is clean and organized. Then how we can clean our house? There should be enough doors and windows for fresh air and sunlight to enter. Kitchen and bathroom floor should be kept dry. Drains should be kept covered to protect breeding of mosquitoes. Always throw garbage in a covered bin. House should be swept and mopped daily. Things should be kept at proper places. Keeping a house clean is very important. It is not very difficult to. It just needs a little planning. It is very important to keep the surroundings also clean. Next, we will revise some exercises of these two chapters. Practice this exercise at home. Tick the correct option. Drinking dirty water can cause jaundice or cough. Answer is jaundice. Igloos or huts are found in Greenland. Igloos. Nomads use a stilt house or caravan. Caravan. Dams or rivers are man-made sources of water. Dams. Do not waste water while bathing. Do not waste. Next exercise, filling the blanks. Very tall buildings are called skyscrapers. Campers and soldiers use tent houses. Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Boiling kills the germs in water. Next, matching. Typhoid, dirty water, river, natural source, houseboats, Kerala, slanting roofs, hilly areas, temporary house, kucha house. So revise all these exercises and chapter 4 and 5. Read chapter 4 and 5 at least 3 times. Thank you. Have a nice day.